You guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what I need to do is, so I cloned it recently so that I can get my both the branches. So git branch. Okay, got it. So what is happening here? I clone which URL? When I am in a main branch, I went to this code and I clone it, correct? So that's why I got again a main branch only. I didn't get all the branches. DevOps, CD DevOps, Git branch, LSFNLTR. Did I got the updated file or not? Okay, see, I got the updated file. Okay. Imagine if I git checkout -b future 2. So now what I have done is I have created one branch, git branch. Now I have created a branch called future 2, which is a local branch to my laptop. Okay. Whatever the content I have in a main branch, the same content will be there here also. If you want to see, you can see. See, I got that file. I got that content, everything, which means I have created a future branch. I have created a future branch by how? Whatever the content was there in my master branch, I got it everything. Where is my main branch? Yeah, this one. Wherever, whatever the main branch is having, that all the content will get it here. Git checkout -b. If you, for example, if you see git branch ranch, okay. Now you see two branches over here, future 2 and main. Imagine if I have to go to main branch, wherever the star symbol is there, it means you are in your future branch. You're getting my point? Prasadana, are you following me?
Yes.
Okay, imagine if I have to change my branch, what do I have to do? Git checkout. If I have to go to main branch, then I just give main. See, switch to branch main. Your branch is up to date. Git branch. Now see, now the star is at main. Earlier the star was at main, future 2. Like this, you can switch the branches. Now, both the branches having the same content, future 2 and main. Imagine I have to do some changes in future 2. Git checkout. Again, I'll go back to the future 2 branch. I just verified I am in which branch. The command is git branch. I am in future branch. I have this folder. I have this file. Okay. Again, I will go to VI. VI means VI editor mode, where you can do changes in the file. So I'm coming to end of the file. Escape I. Adding future 2 branch. Going to verify by pushing from local to GitHub. Okay. So I did some changes. Okay. This particular changes is not there in my master branch. You guys agree with me? Whatever the content that I've added here, It is not there. It is not there in my master branch. It is only there in my which branch? Future branch. Why?
Future branch,
Because
yeah.
I'm currently in my future branch only. Whatever the changes
Yeah.
are there, it belongs to my future branch. So git status. You see, modified. It means in your future branch, in this learning-get, you make some changes to the file which is not updated. So what you need to do, git add. You remember these three commands are mandatory: git add, git commit, and git push. Just a minute, guys. Okay, git add dot I am giving. Dot means current directory. Git commit -am added the changes to the file in local branch. Correct? I'm just putting the statement. You can put M1 also. You can put M2, anything. I'm just putting this comment so that tomorrow if I see my commit, I can know what changes I've done. Git add, git commit is done. Git push, ORIGIN, origin. Where is my origin?
Feature 2.
Now, this is a good question now. Git branch. Now, future 1 is here, but future 1 is not there in my local. Future 2 in my local, but future 2 is not there in a GitHub. Now, how this particular branch is gonna come? Git push origin future 2. No, future 2 is a local. Let's see what it's gonna do. Create a pull request for future by GitHub by visiting. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay. There was a call from Jilani. I'm trying to call him back. It's not connecting. Okay, okay. See here. Whatever I did it changes locally. Git git push origin future 2. Correct. What it is showing me in a message. Hey boss, you created this branch locally in your laptop, and when you try to do the changes, so what you need to do, you need to create a pull request. Correct? Create a pull request for future 2 on GitHub by visiting this particular URL. If I go to my GitHub, see it is showing future 2 has recent push 2 seconds ago. You are seeing my screen? Are you understanding what is happening here? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Now I just need to create what I need to do, compare and pull request. If I just click this, what is happening? Added the changes to the file in a local branch. From where this comment is coming means this comment is coming from my hyphen AM I have given, right? Where is that? Git commit hyphen AM I have given, right? Yeah, this one. You see, this is the command I have given, right? Whatever the within the inverted commas I have given, this is the same content. This is the same content. Okay. So now the merge is going to happen. So merge is going to happen when what is my source future 2? Where I want to merge? I want to merge into either future 1 or main. Imagine future 1 is a developer 1, future 2 is a developer 2. Developer 2 cannot go to developer 1. Developer 2 again have to go to main branch only. Imagine future 1 means a branch means one developer is working on it. If he work on it, he has to go to main branch only. If it is a future 2, again it has to go to main branch. You remember the Jilani has showed you the architecture diagram where it looks like a tree, correct? So right hand side is your source, left hand side your destination. What is a tick mark saying? Able to merge. Merging from local to GitHub. Now I am going to create a pull request. Future 2, whatever is there is going to come to main. Let's see what are the changes is gonna be here. See, added future 2 branch, going to verify by pushing from local to GitHub. Correct, this plus symbol is coming. See, whatever I did it in my local, in this particular file, ls-ltr. This is my future, this is my future 2 branch. These are the things that I've added, one empty line and a couple of lines, correct? Right, all these things got added. Now I'll go back to my commits. I'll go back to my future changes. I'll go back to I'll say review changes. I'll say it as approved. Submit review. Once it is approved, then you can see merge pull request. Confirm merge. So from one branch to another, any changes, if has to come to master branch, it has to come from one future branch. If you are doing some changes in your future branch and that changes has to come to master branch, means how you do it, everything is done here. Okay, let me go back to my repo. Again, I'll click, imagine I am the manager, okay? I'll just click on the pull request. How many pull requests are there totally? Totally 3 times we did a merge with the master. Correct. So what are those changes? I just click on a pull request. I will go to this recent pull request. How do I know that this is a recent pull request? Just based on a time. Was merged now, was merged 22 minutes ago, was merged 27 minutes ago. So I'll just click on this. I want to see what is the changes that has happened. What is the commit ID? This is a commit ID. What is the file got changes? This is the changes. If you add something, plus symbol. If you remove something, minus symbol. Simple, as simple as that. Any doubts so far? So manager won't go in detail. He'll come to your repo. He'll come to the pull request. He'll see how many got closed. Manager is coming into the picture and verifying your pull request means already escalation has happened. someone would have deleted some lines in the code, or someone would have deleted some file in the code. Humans can make a mistake, but system cannot make a mistake. You're getting this? This mechanism is called a tracking mechanism with the help of pull request. Normally, you should not go directly to the master branch. In real time, what will happen? Like imagine this is my branch. So what they will do, here, view all branches. Okay. Now tell me, if I have to create any future branch, what I have to do here? If I have to create a new branch, what I have to do? I showed you by creating the branch here, right? This branch I've created here in GitHub only. Can you tell me, if I have to create a new branch, what I have to do?
Go to main branch, we create a new one. So
Just click on a branches,
yeah.
click on a new branch. Okay, this is a development. And where from where the development is getting the data, again, what is the source? Source is main. So whatever content is there in a main branch, that everything will get by development branch. Okay, create a new branch. So development branch is got created. Now again, I'll go here. Now if you see, how many branches are there? Main is there, feature 1 is there, feature 2 is there, development is there. Now again, what I will do? Again, I'll go here. Branches option, new branch, development I created. Now I'll create a UA. Again, the source for QA also main only. Again, I'll create a UAT branch. For that source, again main. Again, a new branch, which is a pre-prod. So like this, I have created a n number of branches. For each and every environment, I have a branch: development, QA, UAT, pre-prod, but production is main only. This is how the mechanism works. Now, developers will get the code from main only, and they'll do the changes in their future branch. Imagine this is future 1 is a Prasad. Prasad is a developer. Future 2 is a Siraj. Now, whatever the Prasad did changes, he'll merge to development. Now, he'll not go to directly in a real time to main. He'll come to development branch. Once the development branch changes succeed, then they'll wait. Either any other developer wants to do some changes, or the changes is final. Now the development team will confirm, no, Siraj changes is also about to come this month, and let that come, then you proceed with the build. It means then you proceed with the deployment. So once both the developers done with the work, then they'll proceed with the deployment in a development environment, which means the deployment is going to happen in a development branch. Once the deployment is completed successfully, once the test cases run successfully, then they'll go for QA, then they'll go for UAT, then they'll go for pre-prod. Like this, each and every environment, they come successfully, then they'll go finally to the master branch. As we are learning purpose, I've directly gone to the main branch, I clone it locally, and I did the changes, and I try to push it. I just want to show you how the pull request mechanism works. Overall, here is 3 close request. Now, what you need to understand, what is the commands that we have run it locally is, tell me you're in which branch. The command is git branch. You need to check you're in future or you're in master main branch. Now, if you have to change the branch, means the command is git checkout. Git checkout, and what is my branch name? Main. Now, git branch, I am in a main branch. Any doubts so far? This is how you shift the branches. each branch is equal to one environment. If you have a clarity, all the work is going to happen through pull request. How you create a pull request, everything we are done here. Any changes that you going to do in your environment, you cannot go directly to the master branch. Master branch means you are going live. You are going to deploy in your production environment. In production environment, in real time, you can't do the deployments every day. It can be a quarterly, it can be a monthly cycle. You have to follow that cycle. That's it. Imagine in 3 months, you have done 50 deployments till pre-production. Now quarterly cycle is coming. Then whatever the updated ER file or WAR file, that particular deployment should be happen in production. That's it. Today developer did some changes. Tomorrow you deploy in production. That's not going to work out. You do it in your lower environment, let it get successful, run the test cases, create a pull request, have a approval. Who is your sprint planning? What is your business plan? Is this approved by business analyst? Is this the work given by the developer? How much time he took for development of a code? What is the role of a DevOps admin means? Very minimal. You just need to remember these commands. Just in case if they ask you to do some changes, you need to be highlighted with these commands. Okay. Any doubts so far, guys? We are done for the day.
Good.
Any doubts, Siraj?
Yeah, I am also good, Akbar. Thanks.
We created branches in local, we created branches in GitHub, we did a merging in GitHub, we did a merging from local to again to GitHub, we did some changes, we created a branch, we check out the branch, we move the changes. This is what the DevOps role is. Now there will be asking some questions. What will happen if dot git folder get removed? Okay. If imagine if something is coming to you which you don't know what you need to do. I am not a developer. I am a DevOps guy. My role is a very minimal when coming to Git or GitHub. I know if the changes suggested by developer I am supposed to do. I will ask them which file, which folder, what is the line number, what is the URL if they want to change, if they port any want to change, I'll do the basic changes and I'll proceed with git add commit push. If they wanted to merge it with the future branch to main branch, I'll proceed with the pull request. Once that pull request is approved, I'm good to go. That's all. Now, if you go here, .git get, this is our yeah, this is our basically the .git folder. What this .git folder is going to contain, this is contain a basic Git configuration files. See, when I try to pull the code from my particular GitHub, I have to be in specific repository for specific branch. I'll just click on a code, I'll just copy, correct? Now, when I do this, this mechanism talks about, if you open this configuration file, what this configuration file is going to contain means, what is your origin? My origin is this particular URL. See, this origin is this only. GitHub Akbar 335 DevOps Git training. If you go to my, see this here, this one, it means boss, wherever you have cloned the URL, that particular URL is source. If you do some push from your local, it will go to that particular URL only. That particular URL means that particular branch only. What will happen if you delete Git? Means Git don't know where to go. Imagine you downloaded, you cloned it, and you deleted. What will happen? Your Git don't know where, where it has to go. You got my point? The Git should know because of your Git configuration files. These kind of questions are a tricky, and interview point of view, they might ask you try to threaten or trying to see the confidence of the student. We can say I'm a overall DevOps admin guy. My role is minimal in terms of a Git. This is basically used by developers. I will do the changes as per their suggestions. Whatever the changes we do it in a future branch as suggested by developer. Either it is a port change, either it is a URL change, or either some minor code changes in Java or .NET, whatever it is. Everything will get tracked with the help of pull request. We'll get it approved. If everything goes good, then it's gonna merge in a master after all the process. What will happen if multiple people going to merge at the same time in the main branch? But that is not going to happen in real time. Why would everyone will come? Why all the developers will come to the main branch directly, which means a production. You have to cross all these stages. That question is unrealistic because you can do deployments development environment daily, but you cannot do the deployments daily in QA. That is why we are having multiple environments. I hope you guys agree with me, correct?
Yes.
Yes, Akbar.
Okay. Thank you very much. Let me stop the recording.